Hello everyone. Today I'm going to unbox this Zebronics KM100 multimedia keyboard. This is a wired keyboard, as you can see here, and it's a multimedia keyboard. There is multimedia buttons also. There are 12 dedicated hotkeys, and you can see rupee sign is given as a key here, and it's made by Zebronics. Let us unbox this one. First let's see what else is there in the box. You can see a Zebronic naming and the model number on the side of the box, and on the left side of the box there is some address of the manufacturers, etc. And on the right side also another Zebronics logo, and on the other side also there is a product logo, and on the back side there is the details of the keyboard. There is dedicated rupee key, there is a stand, there is 1.2 meter cable, and these are the barcode and other informations, the manufacturers, the retailers details, and there is the picture of the keyboard is given there. And let's open it up. I have already unboxed it, so this is only for demonstration purpose. I am unboxing it again. So this is our keyboard. There is a plastic wrap around it. We can take out this plastic wrap, and let's look at the keyboard. So we have our keyboard here. We have the cable here. There is a USB cable. There is 1.2 meter long wired connection is there, wired USB cable. And let's take the box aside and look at the keyboard. And we have the keyboard here. So this is the USB cable. Then these are the keys. The keys are working fine. All keys are good, and there are some multimedia keys above. There are hotkeys there, and these keys are working fine, and it's really comfortable to type in these keys. And they are the material and the build quality is also very strong. It's looking fine for a 219 rupees keyboard. Now this keyboard has in the back side we have for lifting the keyboard there is a stand on the back side, and I brought this keyboard for a discounted price of rupees 219 on Amazon during the Great Indian Festival. Now let's set this keyboard. Let's see if it's working. So I have connected my MacBook to my adapter. I have previously shown the unboxing of this adapter on my channel. So on the adapter I have already connected a hard disk, my phone, a mouse, and Ethernet cable. I am also connecting my keyboard cable, keyboard USB on my adapter, and see if it's working on the MacBook. So it's connected now. So we have the letters coming, so we can type there in the MacBook, and the letters are coming. It's working fine. All the keys are working, and we can see here the light is on. We have the dedicated caps lock light is there. I'm testing all the keys. So all the keys seems to be working fine, and some characters are always assigned to all the keys, and there are some shortcuts also. So let's close this one. So this is a Zebronics KM100 multimedia keyboard. This is a fine and cheapest keyboard. So thanks for watching my video. Goodbye.